You can see that it's a skin, but there is some flows, as you can see here. Also on the neck, here there is a little patch fix. So skin covered motherboard. The head is like that with simple wood pegs. So yeah, there it is.